Hi everyone, so I thought I would add on to the exercise that I gave you all to try at the traffic lights, the one where you kind of tuck your chin in and try and strengthen up the front muscles in your neck and stretch out the back. So a follow-on from that would be to use a resistance band or a stretchy band around your head to try and add a little bit more difficulty to the exercise so that you actually build more muscle, because this one's a good starter, but you want to actually progress from there, especially for those of you who are having a lot of ongoing headaches, tension build up in your neck, and also pins and needles numbness in your arms that come from the neck and the discs as well that are compromised in the area. So you really need to progress past just doing these tucks. So you get your band tied around something fixated like a pole or even the back of a door, and then shut the door so it's fixated. Pop it around your head like this. And then what you want to do is exactly what you did with your pressing your head backwards into an invisible headrest, and then kind of dropping that chin slightly down. So what's happening is that you're realigning that head on top of the neck and the neck on top of the rest of your body. And you should feel a nice strong tug up the back of your neck as you stretch into it and also strengthen. See if you can do a hold for about 10 seconds while maintaining your chin tuck. So you don't want to be pushing your chin forward like that. You want to make sure everything is nice and lengthened up the back, and holding that for 10 seconds. Then you can relax down and repeat that again for 10 seconds. So you want to try and aim for 10 lots of 10 seconds. You can also do your head in a slight turn like so. So you turn one way and then press backwards. And that's where you will be strengthening up more along the sides of your neck, which can also be weakened when your head drops forward for a long period of time, or you're looking down at your phone, for example, or your laptop for long periods of time. And that would just help to build up that muscle tone, that resting tone that will help you hold your head in a nice posture for longer periods of time while you're at work. So see if you can give that one a go. It's just a little bit harder than doing these ones, and they do complement each other.